everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you for joining me today. I'm joined by my little baby. This is Sebastian. He wanted to say hey to everybody. Before we get started on the video, I normally show you guys the dried results of the painting that you're going to see today, but I do not have that painting with me. It has sold and been shipped off to its new home. But I will insert a picture so you guys can see the dried results. I really love this painting. It turned out fabulous in my personal opinion. I was a little concerned about how it was going to look in the end because there were places where I had to swipe over swipes that I had already done multiple times. So I wasn't sure if it was going to end up looking a little muddy, but it did not. It ended up looking fantastic. So I'm really happy with it. And I definitely want to do more in the future. Now my dog is scratching the floor. Sorry, you guys. As always, my colors and formula will be listed in the description box. So please do not forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.